Yeah, it's Abe Elise from One Broad Parkway in White Plains, New York. We had a little bit of problem with rain this morning, and we're expecting high winds tomorrow, Friday, with a half day of starting the day with some more rain. Um, when we first hang this plastic over the fire escape, we were experiencing a lot of the sail effect, where this thing was flying everywhere. The wind was pretty not intense, but this thing was flapping away everywhere. Under Mr. Menezes' suggestion, we got some wood strap, and we attach it in three different floors to the fire escape and to um, the plastic, and that has minimized, it's contained the sailing effect of this plastic. So you can see it's pretty still. So that was a good solution to our problem. So we expect to set up pretty much the same way tomorrow, and be able to work. We got a good roof over our heads, so we expect no rain coming down on us. It's just a matter of setting up the strap wood and minimize the sailing effect. You can see it's moving, but it's very minimal. And the wind is not as bad actually today, right now, anyways, as it was earlier. We expect high winds tomorrow, so hopefully we'll hold up. Think it will. We'll put strap wood and attach with clips, with spring clips, clamps, in each floor, and that should take good care of that. So on the bottom, right now it's not necessary to clamp it, because as I say, the wind is very minimum right now. But tomorrow we probably fold that over the roof and hold it down with weights or something. But I think it's well contained. You can see some movement, but nothing like it was earlier when you didn't have any of the trap wood in each floor. So from White Plains, New York, Abe Elise, just showing you some of the solutions for some of the weather conditions here. It's on there's improvements to make, obviously, and but I think for now, for today, anyways, we have controlled the situation, and we've been able to work without major problems. And tomorrow we got to make sure it's well taken care of, because we expect high winds. So we'll make a video again tomorrow to see how it's holding. We try to modify something today on paper. That way we can have it ready. Any improvements that we can work on it tonight and implement them right away in the morning, so we can get going. Okay, we're almost done with the scraping of this fire escape. It's really rusted, no paint, the paint falling off. Scrape it clean, and we start doing some structural work tomorrow. So Abe Elise from White Plains, New York. We'll check the same situation tomorrow when we expect high winds. So until tomorrow, Abe Elise from White Plains.